Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize LendingClub for investor onboarding steps, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing LendingClub for investor onboarding, first, visit the LendingClub website. Create an account if you don't already have one by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information such as your name, email, and password. Once you submit your information, check your email for a verification message from LendingClub. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Next, navigate to the investor section of the website. Review LendingClub's investment options and terms. Select the type of investment that aligns with your goals. Proceed to fill out any required forms for the investment you've selected. Make sure to provide accurate financial information as required. Review the risk disclosures and investment terms carefully. Afterward, locate the authorization section for linking your financial accounts. You will need to enter your bank account information to authorize transactions. Follow the prompts to complete the bank verification process. This may involve confirming small test deposits made into your bank account. Once the verification is complete, proceed to upload any necessary documents, such as identification and tax forms. Check that all documents meet LendingClub's guidelines to ensure a smooth verification. Complete the final review of your information, ensuring everything is accurate. Once satisfied, submit your onboarding application for processing. Wait for LendingClub to review your application. This may take a few days. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional steps required. Finally, once approved, you will receive confirmation and you can start investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.